Larry, we are enjoying the first day on the floor here at AUVSI Exponential 2022. A lot of interesting sights, sounds, and so forth, and a couple of them are a little bit more substantial than others. Tell us about your program.
So we've developed a cargo aircraft that's intended to be fully autonomous and carries a 600-pound useful load, and that's a trade-off between fuel and payload. So a typical mission might be 300 miles with 500 pounds of payload, that's 100 pounds of fuel. The aircraft operates off of the concept of a gyrocopter. It's a multi-rotor gyrocopter. The rotors are powered to provide vertical lift, and in forward flight, it transitions to spinning and auto-rotation, yet we still manage the RPM to control pitch and roll attitude for the flight. We have a lot of applications that we've focused on. Military resupply would be one of them, humanitarian aid, disaster relief, reaching small villages and remote areas that lack infrastructure. It's very cheap to operate. And the aircraft burns about 5 gallons an hour in cruise. It runs on diesel fuel. It's a turbine engine. So the turbine engine provides the propulsion in forward flight. The batteries are used just for vertical takeoff and vertical land, and they actually recharge in forward flight from a generator on the engine. You actually can pull power out of the rotors too. The rotors can drive the motors, which become generators.
Where do you go from here with this program?
Well, we have yet to flight test it. This is just hot off the press. It was shipped from Oregon last week and arrived here on Thursday morning, so we had to work really hard to get it here just in time for the show. It is the actual prototype. There's a lot of system work that we still need to do. We need to add all the accessories to the turboprop engine. We've got the electronics to add to it. So it'll be this summer before we actually start flight testing it.
Where will you flight test?
We'll be flight testing here in Florida. We're already working with the FAA. Just started that process, and we have to pick a site. There's a whole lot of requirements we've got to meet.
Interesting stuff. Larry, we appreciate you spending a little time with Aero-News and Airborne Uncrewed, and please keep us up to date on the flight test program.
We will. Thank you.
Skyleader Aircraft offers a lineup of the most powerful, durable, and efficient light sport aircraft in the industry. From trainers to roomy cockpits for long hauls, Skyleader has an aircraft for you. And the best part? They're in your budget. Skyleader's base prices are set low to give you room to customize your aircraft to your needs, desires, and wallet, allowing you to put your money where it matters to you most. Visit flyskyleader.com today to learn about our aircraft, customization options, and chat with the team.